In this video, we will learn how to show the to-do bar in Outlook. So let's start how it's done. This is my Outlook. So go to the View tab. In Layout group, you see here the to-do bar. When you click on this arrow, there is a three option: calendars, people, and tasks. When I click on the calendar, here you see the calendar in your to-do bar. Okay, I just close it, and if I want to see the people option, here you see the favoritize people show here. When you click on the tasks, here you see the all tasks, those you are flagged, those are you are highlighted as a important, flag it as a important. All those here show here. Okay, so there is a no any mail here flag it, and no due date is mentioned. Therefore is a not show here. This is a to-do bar. You can check it and do your work accordingly, and you can organize your work properly. So if you want to off this, just click on the off, and this is a way you can use the to-do bar to organize your work properly. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so